back again. Sunday. First day off. I've been painting this morning, but you didn't want CB rattle can I, did you? But I've run out. Just used 3 cans. So I've got roof and inside for the. So I'm going to order 2 more cans. And then, well, I think it comes in a pack of 3. I'll get 3 anyway, because I'll keep it for touching up. But yeah, I've got all that side done. Front, back. Back done round there. Bits and bobs I've not done well run out. All this front done. And that side down there. But same as I've run out, so I need for the roof and inside. So 2 tins should easily do it, but I'll order them 3 again if I can. And then I'll get it finished tomorrow, hopefully. Weather's alright. Looking good, don't it? Looking fit for purpose. Pity I couldn't have got it done today because it's a lovely day. Watch it be raining tomorrow. I'll have that though. That's all I can do today on that. So, Brewtown. I've just been on Amazon, and all I can get is Hunter Green gloss. Not got the satin in stock. I can get it tomorrow, but it doesn't matter because that'll be a good undercoat for it, so it'll be a gloss finish instead of matte. So it might be better anyway. But I'll just give it all another coat with that gloss when it comes, because I've got 3 tins of it. So it'll be a gloss finish rather than a matte like that, because that's dry now. That's dry though, and it's a matte finish. So I'd have done it in matte, I wouldn't bother me, but I can't get it, so I'm gonna have to go over it with gloss. But it's no big deal. It'll come tomorrow, it'll probably be dinner time or something when it comes, so I might not get it done tomorrow, depending on the weather. If the weather's alright, I'll get it done tomorrow. But I'll get it done this week anyway. I know I'll have enough paint. Let's go and get that brew. And another job I have to, before I paint it tomorrow, is take these lifting windows out, because they don't just lift out like the ordinary windows. And take these lifters off here and then slide it out. I'll show you in a minute. So what you have to do with these is lift it right up and then slide it out. There you go. It's not easy with one of them. There you go, you just slide it along. It'll lift out of that one, because it just slips into that frame there. That's how it lifts. There's no actual hinge on these, it's just the glass frame. So we'll get that off. We've got that's both windows out. But that one was cracked at top. I didn't notice, so when I was moving it along it cracked all the way down. So that one's broke as well. But that's alright, because it ain't coming out top painted anyway, so yeah, what was that? So there you go. Another job done anyway. It's all free for painting that now. That window go. That needs a service this week. Not pumping it in like it should. Right, that's about it today. Won't go home not since early all week, because she's been on 2:10 and I've been on 2 in the morning till 3 in the afternoon. So when I've been coming home, she's at work. When she's coming home, I'm in bed. So I won't go and see her and have a butty and a brew with her. So hopefully get that finished painted tomorrow. See you later.